In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom polls in a meeting. Zoom is a fantastic tool for virtual meetings, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration, and adding polls can greatly enhance interactivity by collecting feedback or opinions from participants. Whether you're conducting a workshop, teaching a class, or managing a team meeting, creating polls can be a simple yet powerful way to gauge understanding or gather input. To get started, we first need to navigate to the Zoom website. Simply open your browser and head over to Zoom's web client. Once you arrive, look for the Sign In button, usually located towards the top right of the page. It's important to use the same account you typically use for meetings to ensure access to all the features. Now click on Sign In. You might notice different sign-in options, but the easiest method is often to use a social or professional account like Google. Click on Google to proceed. This will redirect you to a Google sign-in page. Here, input the credentials linked to your Zoom account. If you're already signed into your Google account in the browser, you'll be prompted to select it directly, simplifying the process. Once successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Zoom homepage. Now you have the option to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Depending on what you're aiming to accomplish, select either New Meeting if you want to initiate or Join a Meeting if you're participating. After you're in a meeting, direct your attention to the meeting controls at the bottom or side of your screen. Find the More option represented by 3 dots. Clicking this will reveal additional features available during the session. In the expanded menu under More, there should be an option for Apps or something similar. This is where you can integrate third-party applications into your Zoom meeting. Look for the poll or quiz app in the list provided. If you haven't added these apps yet, you'll need to do so through the Add Apps option, which will guide you through installing the poll application you desire from Zoom's App Marketplace. Some popular options include Poll Everywhere or Mentimeter, which integrate seamlessly for an interactive polling experience. With your app selected and set up, you're ready to initiate a poll. Most poll or quiz apps will offer an easy-to-follow wizard for creating and launching your poll. You'll find options to configure questions, select answer types, and distribute the poll to participants. As they respond, you can watch results in real time, making it a dynamic tool for analysis or discussion. Adding polls can truly enrich meetings by fostering an interactive environment, encouraging participation, and gathering valuable insights. With this guide, you should feel equipped to maximize the potential of Zoom polls in your next meeting. Happy Zooming!